Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for stopping by the channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of the Timax X wallet. Temexe was also kind enough to send me 3 other wallets for a giveaway, so I will be announcing the winners at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Please don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. It helps others find my content and it helps you to support the channel. Also, for those who may not have heard, myself and some other content creators have created a monthly newsletter. We're bringing you guys all the latest news, research, and technical analysis walkthroughs. If that's something that you'd be interested in, I'll leave the link down below for you guys to sign up. The first issue is free, and then it's $5 a month thereafterwards. My normal friendly disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. All investments have inherent risk, and please do your own research. All right, let's get started. So I had some people tell me in the past that they didn't like the way I recorded the videos. I guess the video was a little blurry. So this time around, I'm trying something new. So I need your input, you guys. Let me know what you think. This is the first time I'm opening this wallet. So just so you guys know, I don't look at the wallets beforehand. I open them right on camera. This is the first time I'm seeing it. If it's the first time you're seeing it, we have something in common. So, me setting it up may be a little bit difficult, but that's the whole point of the video. Okay. Oh, so I heard about this. It looks like we have like a little memento. It's a little Bitcoin coin that comes in the box. I think you can probably open it. Maybe not. I guess not. I think it's closed. That's pretty neat. I think that's just for fun. I don't know if it really serves a purpose. Let's keep going deeper into the box. All right. So this is the Timax X wallet. Oh, hello. Okay. We have the wallet itself, we have the charging cord, we have the Bitcoin coin, the user manual, and the sheet for the recovery phrase. They gave us 2, which is nice. And then that's it. So this is honestly probably the size of almost an SD drive. It's pretty small, as you can see. It's extremely light. It feels almost like nothing's even there. And then the charging cord and our user manual. So I had to download the app on my phone, but let's get started. Let's see if this thing has battery on it. How do we turn it on? Maybe it needs to be plugged in. So let's try plugging it in. Little bad news here. The wallet is currently charging on the other side of my room because when it came in the mail, it has no battery charge on it. So I gotta wait a couple minutes to do the rest of the video. The Temexe wallet can store around 500 wallet private keys. I would think that probably meets the needs of most users. A unique security chip is used to store the user's private keys in the Temexe wallet, and the private keys cannot be exported from the wallet itself, which is similar to most hardware wallets. The wallet contains no components that are used to connect to the internet, such as a SIM card or a Wi-Fi chip. Without access to the internet, in theory, the wallet is always offline, and so there should be no possibility of the wallet getting hacked. Temexe boasts that they secure the private keys with military-grade AES symmetric encryption, and it sends over Bluetooth to your phone. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ERC20 tokens. There's a long list on the website, but it's mostly just ERC20 tokens. In a video I had done in the past, someone asked about fees on these wallets. Most, if not all, hardware wallets themselves don't charge fees for transactions. However, obviously the Bitcoin or Ethereum network charge a mining fee. Like most wallets, you can restore it from your seed, so if you lose it, break it, something bad happens to it, as long as you have the seed, you can buy a new Timax wallet, restore it from that, and you will have your wallet right back to normal. The documentation on the wallet states that a full charge should last you about 30 days. Like most hardware wallets, there's an app on your phone. It's called Our Token. I already downloaded it, so I'm going to try to set this up now. I had to charge the wallet before, so hopefully we get through this without the battery dying. Turn Bluetooth on. Oh, I have my Nest Cam. Want to connect the wallet. Connection succeeded. You can see it. Okay. So it looks like that's it. I just connect and I'm on the wallet. From there, let's see if I can add Bitcoin, Ethereum. So you create a wallet, and here's the part where you're going to write down the code or the key, the backup seed. I don't know how many words I'm going to use to get that point across. So where you're going to write the backup seed down on this guy. So this code, which I don't mind sharing because I'm not going to be using this wallet probably. This code goes on here, and this code is what you would use to restore if anything ever happened to your Temexe wallet. You broke it, lost it, whatever. That's the code or the key that's going to get you back into your other wallet. Same thing for Bitcoin, and so on. I'm going to create a wallet. I named it test. Go. I've written it down. Confirm. It's asking me to set up an initialized password, which is a PIN code, so it's got to be 9 digits, which I just did. Now it's asking me for the same password. Confirm. Press the confirm button. C for confirm. You can see. Oh. Whoops. I hit rejected. Let's try this again. Press OK to agree and C to reject. So OK. Successfully written. Pros. It holds a decent amount of coins, but I'd like to see more in the future, at least more variety, maybe less ERC20 tokens, more freestanding cryptocurrencies. I like the shape and the size. It reminds me of Trezor Model T, even though it is significantly smaller than that. At $70, I think it's a great competitive price and value for a hardware wallet. Military-grade encryption is also a great pro. Obviously, the security is at the forefront of their priorities. It's got a good battery life, and I like the large amount of wallets that it can hold. Finally, the last pro would be the fact that it has verified purchase on Amazon and some really good reviews of people saying that they thoroughly enjoy the wallet and that it works well. So having real people using it and verified purchases with good reviews is a good sign. On to the cons. The first con I'll do is the same one I do for all the wallets that are newer and not time tested. It needs to be put out in the market, it needs to be used to prove its security, and it needs to stay consistent over the course of however many years because Ledger and Trezor have been around forever and they have proved to be very secure. Variety of coins would definitely be a con. It's got the major big ones, but it needs other more popular ones outside of the ERC20 tokens, which I mentioned before. I don't like that the private key is generated on the phone and not on the wallet. To me, it leaves some concern for security. I've seen wallets in the past do it both ways, and I much prefer if it's generated on the cold side, on the actual hardware wallet, versus on the hot side, which is your phone. Final thoughts? Overall, I think it's a solid wallet at a good price point, which makes it a competitive option for newcomers. As usual, my biggest concern is security and if the wallet will stand up to the test of time. Let's move over to my computer now and figure out who the 3 winners are from the giveaway. Before I do that, though, I want to thank Temexe for their willingness to send me the wallets for the giveaway and one of the unbox. So thanks. Let's check out these winners. 3 prizes left. Draw winners. Winners to draw. 3 out of 47 potential people. Let's see who wins. We have Haneen, Colton, and Joel. You guys feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or email or any other kind of social media aspect. If you don't hear from me, reach out to me obviously, but I'm going to reach out to everybody anyways. So yeah, thank you guys for subscribing and engaging with the giveaway. And thank you to Temexe for giving me 3 wallets or 4 wallets, one to unbox and 3 to give away. And as usual, guys, thanks for watching the channel. Like my wallet unboxing? Want to see some more unboxing videos of hardware wallets? Good news! I've got playlists over there where you can go check that out. I also have a ton of other content on my channel if you're interested. Go take a look, leave some comments down below, and thanks for watching.